So, two films that on the surface might seem worlds apart, but at their core, both the films represent something truly special about cinema, which is its ability of storytelling in ways that feels raw, real, and deeply resonant. One is totally a high stakes, single character thriller that lives up to its title and keeps you on the edge of your seat. And then there's other, which is a heartwarming underdog story about a group of friends who has dared to dream big in a small town. These films, with their pole apart genres, works for the cinema goers in their own unique ways, and they truly remind us why we fell in love with the movies in the first place. First film is Crazy, starring Soham Shah, and this film has proved itself to be a masterclass in tension and character study. It is a film that takes a simple premise where a man is racing against time to save his daughter and turns it into a gripping exploration of guilt, redemption, and moral ambiguity.
तुम देख क्यों नहीं पा रहे मनु? फंसाया जा रहा है तुम्हें.
On the other hand, we have Superboys of Malegaon, directed by Reema Kakti, and it is truly a love letter to cinema itself. Based on a true story, the movie talks about a group of passionate film buffs in a small town of Malegaon who decides to make their own movie, and in this process, they all remind us that storytelling is not at all about budgets or stars. It's about the heart we pour into storytelling through big screen.
मुंबई नहीं जा सकते, मुंबई को इधर लाना पड़ेगा. क्या मतलब? इधर ही पिक्चर बनाते हैं ना.
Both these films are bold, unconventional, and deeply rooted in their characters. Plus, they don't really rely on the usual Bollywood tropes of song and dance routines or larger than life heroes. Instead, they both focus on the human stories, on flawed individuals trying to navigate their way through life challenges. And that's exactly the kind of cinema we crave as cinephiles. The stories that feel real, that make us think, and that actually stays with us long after the credits roll. So hello everyone. Today at Cine Samvad, we'll dive into these two films to explore what makes these films so special, and we'll discuss why they represent the Hindi cinema we have been craving for years, the Bollywood that we crave for. So starting with Crazy, this film is truly a perfect example of how a simple premise can be elevated into something extraordinary with the right execution. At its core, this film is a thriller about a man, Dr. Abhimanyu Sood, played by Soham Shah, who is racing against time to save his daughter who has been kidnapped. But here's the twist in the story. Abhimanyu Sood's character is not exactly the hero we are used to rooting for. He is actually a flawed and morally ambiguous character who has abandoned his daughter years ago because she was born with the Down syndrome. And that's where the film really shines, as it doesn't shy away a bit from exploring the darker aspects of its protagonist. Soham Shah has delivered a powerhouse performance in this film, as he is in the 99% of the frames in the film, handling everything from start to end. He has carried his character with a raw intensity that's really hard to look away from. You can actually see the guilt, the desperation, and the gradual realization of his own failures as a father etched on his face. And the way the film builds the tension is just brilliant. There's a scene in the film where Abhimanyu is changing a flat tire while simultaneously guiding a junior colleague in the hospital through a surgery, and also instructing the kidnapper on how to calm his daughter down during a panic attack. It is a sequence that is both thrilling and emotionally charged, and this scene perfectly encapsulates the film's ability to balance action with the character's depth. But what really sets the film Crazy apart is its moral complexity. Is that Abhimanyu's character isn't just fighting to save his daughter, he's also grappling with his own conscience. The film doesn't let him off the hook for his past mistakes. Instead, it forces him to confront them head on, and in doing so, the film becomes more than just a thriller and becomes a story about redemption. However, the ending of the film might feel a bit lazy and underwritten, but still, there's no denying the fact that this film gives you surprises and thrills alongside Abhimanyu's journey. Now, if we shift gears to talk about Superboys of Malegaon, then this film is the polar opposite of Crazy. It is a warm, heartfelt dramedy that celebrates the joy of filmmaking. Inspired by the real-life story of Nasir Sheikh and his friends, the film is a tribute to the power of dreams and the resilience of the human spirit. But at its heart, Superboys of Malegaon is a story about friendship. Nasir Sheikh, played by Adarsh Gaurav, is a wedding videographer who dreams of making his own movie. He joins hands with his ragtag group of friends, each with their own quirks and struggles. But they all unite eventually by their love for cinema. There's Farokh, played by Vineet Kumar Singh, who is the purest writer and is constantly at odds with Nasir's more practical approach. And then there's Shafiq, played by Shashank Arora, who is the loyal friend and always there to support Nasir. Together, they all navigate the challenges of low-budget filmmaking, from finding the funding to dealing with the creative differences among themselves. And in this process, they all remind us that art isn't about perfection, it's actually about the passion. One of the things that I love about Superboys of Malegaon is how it captures the essence of grassroots filmmaking, as these boys aren't big shot directors and there are not any A-list actors as well. They are actually ordinary people with extraordinary dreams. And the film really doesn't romanticize their struggles. It shows the harsh realities of their lives involving the financial constraints, the societal pressures, and the constant battle between art and survival. But on the other part, it also shows the joy and camaraderie between them that come from pursuing something you really love. There's a scene in the film where Nasir and his friends are shooting a spoof of Sholay, and they were shooting it in the middle of a field. And all this was just so infectious that you simply can't help but smile at their enthusiasm and creativity. Adarsh Gaurav was fantastic as Nasir. He brings that mix of ambition, vulnerability and the charm to the role. But the real standouts for me were Vineet Kumar Singh and Shashank Arora as Farokh and Shafiq. Both of their performances were so heartfelt and genuine, and their friendship with Nasir was truly the emotional core of the film. The way their bond evolves over the course of the story is both touching and relatable, and it's totally a testament to the film's strong writing and the character development. Common aspects of these films. Now, if we'll talk about what both of these films have in common and why they represent the Bollywood that we crave. So first and foremost, I feel that they both are character-driven stories, where Crazy is essentially a one-man show, with Soham Shah carrying the entire film on his shoulders. And then there's Superboys of Malegaon, which is an ensemble piece with multiple characters, but still each character has been given their moment to shine, and both films understand that the heart of any great story lies in its characters. Secondly, both the films are unapologetically original. They really don't rely on the usual Bollywood formulas, as there are no unnecessary item numbers, no over-the-top action sequences, and no any larger-than-life hero. Instead, they focus on telling stories that feel real and grounded. And finally, and probably the most important aspect, that both the films are a testament to the power of independent cinema. They both prove that you don't really need a big budget or a star-studded cast to make a great film. All you need is a good story, a passionate team, and the courage to take risks. Where Crazy is definitely a bold experiment in a single character storytelling, and Superboys of Malegaon is a celebration of grassroots filmmaking. Both films remind us that at its core, cinema is all about storytelling and about capturing the human experience in all of its complexity and beauty. And also, let me tell you that neither film is perfect. Crazy doesn't have the great ending and feels too melodramatic and implausible. And same with Superboys of Malegaon, where it definitely has its share of tonal shifts and narrative inconsistencies. But these flaws actually don't detract from the overall impact of these films. However, on the positive note, they remind us that art is never perfect. Actually, it's messy, it's flawed, and that's what makes it so beautiful. Both of these movies reminds us why we fell in love with cinema in the first place. Simply because it has the power to move us, to inspire us, and to make us see the world in a new light. These are the films that celebrate the human spirit in all its complexity and beauty. And they're also the films that prove that no matter how big or small your budget is, no matter how famous or unknown your cast is, if you have a story to tell and the passion to tell it, you can create something truly magical. So now that concludes few of my thoughts and views on the films Crazy and Superboys of Malegaon. In my opinion, these are not just films, these are experiences. And they are a reminder of the kind of cinema we should all be supporting together. Because this is the Bollywood we crave, which is bold, original and deeply human. And truly it's the cinema that we all deserve. You too, please share your thoughts in the comment section of the video about these films, and let's have a healthy discussion around it. Also, if you have enjoyed this discussion, so please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel for more content ahead. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at CineSamvad for short reviews and cinematic insights. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next one. Cheers.